What's the meaning of car park? Car park. Car park.
Car park. Car park. A car park is an area designed for vehicles to park in. It is typically a flat, open space or a multi-story building with designated parking spaces marked by painted lines. Car parks can be found in various locations such as shopping centers, airports, and public buildings. They are used to provide safe and convenient parking for cars, vans, and other motorized vehicles while their drivers are away. In urban areas, car parks can help reduce traffic congestion and improve the flow of traffic by providing a centralized location for parking.